Alright, this is Gage. This is my bike check video. Alright, I have a black number 7 Miraco bike, A-frame. I have orange ODI long neck grips and ODI bar ends. I have a black label fork, black label handlebars, black label stem, and black label chain. My sprocket is FBM, blue, nice. I have Odyssey pedals. My bad. Let's see. Uh, my front hub is a Weizen hub. A Vice hub, lime green, Boss. My rims are black label. My front tire is Changshin tire. I don't like it. It sucks. My back peg, I don't ride a front peg because it falls off, and I don't know, it pisses me off. My back peg is a black label peg. My back rim is also a black label rim. My back hub is a Vice hub also. I have the normal seat. Hurts like hell. I forgot what my back tire was called. My friend just gave it to me because I wanted a thicker tire because the back one was real skinny. So I'm like, alright. My cranks are also black label. I'm thinking about getting a gold chain soon too. I don't know. It's a pretty light bike. I like it. The back can be heavy sometimes, but I mean, it just depends. But, yeah. That's it. Peace.